it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a nice whiteboard for around your home or office? This one by DexBoard is a really nice one to choose. This one in particular is 40 inches by 28 inches. You can hang it vertical or horizontal, which is really nice. It's very easy to install and comes with all the hanging hardware you need. It screws in all four corners, which I really like because then it is very secure against the wall. It even has little caps that go over the screws, so it looks very professional and finished. It's also magnetic, which is really nice for your markers that have magnets on them or erasers. They can just stick right to the board. But if not, they do have a really nice little tray you can use. You can slide that on or off whether or not you want it. It wipes completely clean, so there's no shadow or residue left over from your markers. This is really nice for my husband's office. It allows me to leave him little notes, allows him to keep track of things at work, or our little daughter can draw on it while she's in the office. So if you're looking for a whiteboard to keep track of all of your thoughts, this one by DexBoard is really nice, but that's just my point of view.